The rainy season often brings unwanted insects into our homes, but there are easy and natural ways to repel them without resorting to harmful chemicals. Here are 10 chemical-free remedies to keep insects at bay. Citrus peels. Instead of discarding orange peels, bundle them up in a cloth and rub them on furniture. Spiders dislike citrus enzymes, making this a great natural polish for your furniture. Lemon-eucalyptus oil. This oil acts as an effective insect repellent without the strong smell of chemical alternatives. It has a soothing aroma that also cleanses the air. Garlic. Eating garlic produces a secretion that mosquitoes find unpleasant, keeping them away from you. This is a sweet alternative for those who dislike sticky creams and sprays, although it may require finding a solution for garlic breath. Vinegar. Ants are repelled by vinegar. Create a spray solution by punching needle holes into a vinegar bottle cap and apply it along ant trails and entry points. Be cautious around sensitive surfaces as vinegar can affect them as well. Baby powder. To deter wasps and bees from entering your home, sprinkle baby powder on window sills. The scent carried by the wind will distract these insects. DIY mosquito trap. Create your own mosquito trap using a 2-liter Coca-Cola bottle, yeast, brown sugar, water, and duct tape. The yeast and sugar mixture produces carbon dioxide, attracting mosquitoes. Place the trap in a corner and release the captured insects into their natural habitat. Soya bean oil. Soya bean oil is an excellent mosquito repellent. Commercially available organic mosquito repellents often contain soya extracts, but even a few droplets of plain oil can repel mosquitoes for up to an hour and a half. Light gains. Open your door or window during twilight when flies are drawn to the wave frequencies in sunlight. Flies instinctively fly towards these frequencies, providing a chemical-free method to eliminate them. Nail polish. Use a large bottle of nail polish to attract dusk-time insects to the ceiling. With the fan turned off, gently remove the insects using a newspaper. Vodka. Flies are repelled by the smell of vodka. Create a spray by combining vodka, lemon-eucalyptus oil, aloe vera extract, and water. Use caution if you have sensitive skin, but this vodka concoction is highly effective for repelling flies. By implementing these natural remedies, you can keep insects away without harming them or resorting to chemical-based repellents. Embrace these eco-friendly alternatives to maintain a pest-free environment during the rainy season and beyond.